guys, I am back again, and today I am sharing another succulent, and this one is the Kalanchoe, which is part of the mother of 1,000 babies. I forgive me for forgetting the name of these dang plants, but I did not know this plant. I'm gonna have to turn the camera sideways as though I got I'm using a cell phone, but I guess my camera is flip it back anyway. But look how tall it gets, and the leaves get huge, as you can see. And it also has some very delicate, sturdy flowers. Who would not want this plant in their plant arsenal? Look at the flowers. This is a smaller one in my this is in my pot of succulents. This thing has overgrown. I'm gonna show you guys a before picture. See it? Yeah, look how big it is now, and look at the delicate little flowers. Look like horns. They are so beautiful. I like them. So this is the Kalanchoe plant, and you can see it's got roots that stretch out, exaggerating, I'll say, for miles. I'm exaggerating, but they get pretty long. But this plant is gorgeous. It's a pinkish burgundy, as you guys can see, and it looks like, look how the flowers grow right there. I'm really digging this plant. Can you dig it? Can you dig it, baby? Okay, this is the garden update share for today on my little balcony, sharing this amazing plant. If you guys have a Kalanchoe species of some sort, let me know in the comments. But this plant, I'm gonna have to cut it back because I can't even see the rest of the stuff that's in this planter with this plant. It has taken over. There's my art. That's it for today's share of a garden update. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and welcome back to all my subscribers. Stay tuned for more gardening updates.